Good morning, my dear students. Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of March 2021, and this is the last recorded lesson for Unit 5. اليوم إن قصة أخيرة مسجلة للوحدة 5. We will need our student books and page 67. This section of the book is called Reading for Enrichment. Enrichment. It means that we can enrich our vocabulary first of all. Thus, we can learn some new words or discover different forms or new forms of these words, like word family. And we are going to read about the humpback whale. So your task will be to listen first, then to read it again, and to write down all the new words. So the humpback whale is another beautiful and amazing creature of the sea world. As you can see on the picture, this is the size of the whale in comparison to the elephant and a human. هون الصورة مبين قديش كبير الحوت. هذا الأنواع الحوت بالنسبة للفيل والناس. By the way, this is not the biggest whale in the world. So let's learn some amazing facts about this creature. Get your student books and open the page 67. Let's start with the first paragraph. As I read, I'll try to explain to you the main points, the main ideas of each paragraph. And here we have some underlined words. I have written a translation for you, and also I have written some words from the same family in order you could guess the meaning of the word in this way. The humpback whale is one of the most charismatic whales in the sea. Acrobatic and easily recognizable, it is found in many locations in both hemispheres and is a popular target for the whale watching industry. Growing to just over 50 feet in length and weighing in at 30 to 40 tons, it is quite large, but certainly nowhere near the size of the blue or fin whales. Here we have some adjectives describing a whale, or describing the humpback whale specifically, like charismatic. And here is a word, charisma. It is a noun. So you can guess charismatic, it is an adjective. And acrobatic and easily recognizable. It means that we can recognize it easily and we can differentiate it between other kinds of whales. يعني شكله معروف وإحنا نقدر نميز هذا الأنواع الحوت بين الأنواع ثانية. And it is found in many locations. It means that it lives in different parts of the world, in both hemispheres. Look, hemisphere, it is a half of a sphere. A sphere زي كرة أرضية. So a half of a sphere زي نص الكرة الأرضية. Okay. So we have here whale watching industry and the translation. كمان هون مكتوب عن وزنه وطوله بس مش في كيلو زي احنا متعودين، مش في المتر، بس مكتوب feet و tons يعني بتعرفوا هاد قديش كيلوغرام راح يكون تقريبا. يعني it is quite large يعني هو كبير بس مش الأكبر من ال blue whale and fin whales. So now let's move to the second paragraph. Scientists have been studying the humpback whale extensively for decades. حكينا decade هذا زي 10 سنوات. Among other things, scientists have researched its impressive annual migration, up to a 10,000-mile round trip. Scientists have also been interested in its strange, mysterious mating songs, the animal kingdom's most complex melodies, and its unusual feeding behavior. So here you may find the translations of some words into Arabic, like extensively and annual migration. Annual, it means that they migrate every year, annual. And migration, it's like movement, or to migrate means to move from place to place. Look at this, mating songs. A mate, it's like a noun, means each of a pair of animals. So we can guess that when the whales are searching for their pairs or their soulmate, you may know this word soulmate. So they are singing some kind of mating songs. So the melodies of their songs are complex. It is the opposite to simple. عكس البسيط، يعني الأغاني اللي بتغنوا هم مش سهلات، يعني مش إشي بسيطة، إشي صعب بالنسبة للموسيقى. The latter is truly one of nature's most amazing scenes. It is a summer-long, all-you-can-eat Alaskan buffet. Up to 20 whales circle underneath a school of herring, breathing out streams of bubbles which, upon rising, entrap and distract the fish. Swimming upwards into the shocked mass of fish, they open their mouths wide and swallow hundreds of gallons of seawater, along with the herring snack it contains. يعني كمان شغلة اللي غريبة ورائعة اللي عندهم هذا الطريقة كيف بوكلوا. It is mentioned here as feeding behavior. هون احنا عنا يعني 20 من الحوت بجمعوا وبعملوا زي circle. Yes, circle here like a verb. تحت ال school of herring. herring هذا الأنواع السمكة طلعوا على الصورة زي silver fish. بعدين طلعوا هون مكتوب breathing out streams of bubbles، يعني هم تحت السمك وبيطلعوا منهم البابل زي بلالين مع النفس، والسمكة اللي بتكون بتطلع على هدول البلالين ما بتركز مزبوط، وبعدين هم ببلشوا يتحركوا لفوق وبيفتحوا تامهم، وبهذا الطريقة يبلعوا مع المية السمك. كمان مكتوب herring snack. So here you have also some words like Alaska, and Alaskan, it is an adjective to Alaska. This is the place, if you know, in the north of Canada, and it is rather cold there. Another word is entrap. Entrap, it is a verb in the text. So it comes from the word trap, which is a noun. So entrap, it's to catch someone, or to create a kind of a trap for fish. Let's continue reading. Slow to recover from heavy losses in the early 20th century, especially from the Antarctic whaling fleets, roughly 10% of the pre-whaling era population, estimate of 125,000, survive today. Sadly, this means that the humpback whale is an endangered species. Do you remember we have read about dolphins and this kind of dolphin which is called orca, and it was mentioned that orcas were helping whalers. So as you know, the whales are and were hunted in the early 20th century. So that's why they suffered heavy losses. You see, to lose, this is a verb, and loss, it is a noun. We may use it in plural, losses. يعني شو هون مكتوب انه كانوا كتير يذبحوهم ويستخدموا اللحم مثل حوت للدهون كمان، وعشان هيك عددهم صار كتير قليل. زي انتوا بتقدروا تقرأوا هون انه دال من اللي كانوا قبل بس 10% pre-whaling era population. يعني pre-whaling يعني قبل اللي the people started hunting them in the sea. So that's why they are endangered. In danger, do you know danger, what it is? And endangered, it is an adjective. It means that they are in danger of extinction. يعني انه اذا ما رح نغير احنا يعني اسلوبنا في مع الطبيعة، واذا ناس رح تكملوا يتبعوهم ما رح يضلوا منهم في الطبيعة. One of the continuing mysteries in whale watching circles is exactly why whales jump clear of the water or breach. Does the thunderous splash resulting from a 40-ton belly flop serve as some form of communication with other nearby whales? Could breaching be a threat display or a show of dominance? Or could it be simply for the sheer fun of it? Now please look at this last picture. Do you see this movement that the whale does? So it is called like whale breach. And يعني هذا مثل الحوت بترمي حاله هيك، بتطلع من الماء وترمي حاله وبطلع زي هيك الصوت which is called here thunderous splash resulting from the belly flop. يعني so the people and scientists who are watching whales and study their behavior are wondering why do they do so. ليش هم هيك بعملوا الحوت؟ ليش ترمي حاله زي هيك؟ وفي كل هدول يعني في كل سؤال في زي سبب، يعني بفكروا ويمكن هذا الأنواع الكوميونيكيشن أو ممكن هم هيك بتورجوا أنه مين الأقوى أو إشي زي هيك، أو ممكن في آخر سؤال هذا بس الطريقة اللي هم بيلعبوا، يعني sheer fun of it، يعني nothing else than just fun. Perhaps it is for all of these reasons. يعني هذا ممكن يكون كله مع بعض، مش في سبب واحد. We honestly know so very little about these giants of the deep and their mysterious ways. يعني إحنا نعرف بس شوي عنهم وعن التصرفات تبعتهم. However, everything science has uncovered about them hints that whales are intelligent and social animals, capable of a remarkable array of complex behaviors. يعني ممكن أحكي في شكل عام أنه كل شيء اللي علوم اللي بتعرف عن الحوت اللي هو intelligent زي حكينا ذكي وشاطر and social animal اللي بتقدر تعاون like dolphins. Do you remember that they are shrewd and intelligent and they are also social. Because this is all for today. Thank you for watching and listening. Please look through these words again and read the text again. And think of the next writing project. Choose a kind of sea creatures, a species of the sea or the ocean, and prepare some notes, because tomorrow we are going to talk about different strange and amazing sea creatures. Thanks again and have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.